Hi, this is Zainab and today's topic is fasting. Do you know if we consume 3 meals a day, then in the course of 40 years we actually consume 42,000 meals? Natural law of body is very essential to understand if we want to build a world without disease. And fasting is one of those natural laws. Fasting is simply eating less. It is nature's way of cleansing your body from the effects of wrong and too much eating. It is also a master key to mental and spiritual evolution. Fasting simply gives your digestive system a rest from overwork. And when you resume it by eating the right kind of food, you will see the beneficial results. There is no standard duration of fasting. Anytime you are not eating, you are technically fasting. For example, from dinner to breakfast, in the period of 12 hours, you are fasting. There are different kinds of fasting. We have intermittent fasting, which is from 12 to 18 hours. We have short fast, which is from 18 to 24 hours. We have long fast, which is more than 24 hours. And then there is extended fasting, which is more than 72 hours. From an evolutionary standpoint, eating 3 meals a day and snacking throughout the day is not a requirement of good health. Before the modern era, there were situations of war, famine, food availability was limited, periods without food could last for weeks and months. This was involuntary starvation. After the development of agriculture, ancient cultures replaced it with the periods of voluntary fasting, which was often called detoxification, purification, and cleansing. Fasting is the most honored and widespread healing tradition in the world. It has been practiced by almost every religion and culture on this earth and has been known as compensation against every disease. Fasting is also quite feared, misrepresented, and misunderstood. People mistakenly take it as starvation. There's a huge difference between starvation and fasting. Fasting is a voluntary abstinence from food, whereas starvation is involuntary deprivation of food. Simple fact that every animal refuses food when sick. This itself is a nature's demonstration of what to do when sick. Have you ever thought what lack of appetite means when you are sick? As long as waste in your body is circulating, you will feel miserable during fast. As soon as it comes out of your kidneys, you will feel better. Most people expect or fear that a period of fasting will leave them tired and drained of energy. The exact opposite happens. Because the entire waste comes out of your body, you feel more energized. Autopsies clearly show through arterial plaque and intestinal wastage that the body is in a state of filth and uncleanliness. And only through detoxification, fasting and cleansing, we can clean it. Also, there is no correlation between constant eating and good health. Nobody makes money when you fast, neither the food industry nor pharmaceutical industry. If for whatever reasons you cannot fast, then please try to chew every bite for at least 5 to 7 minutes, or if possible, maybe 10 minutes. Because that is what we call camouflage fasting. Your stomach and intestine is at rest almost the same as when you're fasting. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the rules of fasting or how to transition into fasting, because that is extremely important. So please leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe to my channel.